Hello there.
Hi.
Yeah. So
So today has been a very interesting, fun day.
It's been like,
It's been like one of the best days
ever. Cause we're like inseparable. Like,
Yeah, no, literally. We're inseparable.
Joy. Ow. Yeah.
These handcuffs are really small.
Yeah, and they tend to hurt, and that's gonna leave a mark. It's gonna hurt.
But you can say it's bring us closer together.
Yeah. In the bathroom.
I mean, just everywhere. I mean, she won't leave me alone.
Just can't live with her. Can't live without her.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I want to try driving like this.
Like we could drive.
If we could drive.
We can't drive. Hello.
Maybe we're not allowed to drive.
Exactly. We don't even have keys to the car. Just like we don't have keys to the handcuffs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like my uncle, he owns like a hardware store. So yeah, we're waiting for him to come with his little saw.
Yeah,
Cause like this is metal, like
metal,
like metal, like
handcuffs,
like
police use.
it's metal.
Yeah.
It hurts kind of bad.
It really hurts actually. It's like cutting off my circulation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So we're gonna be here waiting.
Yeah. Like tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
I mean, I can't even like move her here. She comes along with me.
Okay.
Hi. Hi. Ow, it hurts two ways.
Stretch.
Ow.
Howdy do.
Yeah.
Can we hug like this?
So
Yeah.
Yeah, how you doing? I mean, imagine hugging other people. It's like,
It's like one of us hugs the back side of them and the other the front. Bye. Bye.
Did everyone forget today was Easter?
Yeah, like no one's celebrating Easter today.
I know, what's up with that?
Like even church is kind of like down on Easter. I was like, oh my gosh! And yesterday I went to an Easter egg hunt and the Easter bunny wasn't even there. It was so.
I haven't seen anybody in Easter bunny costume all day.
I got dressed up to see the Easter bunny, take a picture with them, but no, he doesn't show.
No holiday spirit.
When I find him, I'm gonna handcuff him.
Yeah. Once we get these off.
I gotta buy new ones
Mhm.
at Spencer's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Ugh, salty. The beach, okay?
Wow.
Beach makes it. A police officer!
Where? Oh, he's over there. So is that another police car next to him?
Yeah, two.
Yeah. Hey! Where's that stupid diner?
Yeah, police officers are fat.
Yeah.
No offense.
I don't understand why a police officer would be watching this, but if you are,
You never know, like, someone's parents,
Mhm.
like, you never know.
Yeah, never know.
Or maybe someone's, like, watching this on my page or your page or something, if it ever goes on our pages, and it's like, hey, my daddy's a police officer, that's really mean, I'm gonna get him on you. That would be nice.
Yeah, actually, we would love that. I would love that.
Excuse me?
Not that I'm...
Oh,
no.
okay.
No. Not like that. It's just I would like to go to the bathroom in peace. I like to do stuff alone, you know, some things I want to do alone.
Oh, don't ask how we got our clothes on. That's
You don't want to know.
yeah, just oh God. Never speak of this again. Oh wow. Yeah. What can we do with these?
Ow.
Swinging.
Probably can't even run.
Oh yeah? Oh no, wait, I'm not gonna run. I promised people I'm gonna run. Ever. I'm running their faces. I don't run. You would skip like this?
Ow! And back. You can't. Ow! Sorry. Okay. There's literally marks on my wrist. There is something for email.
At least I have something to remember you by. Oh wait, I do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. She burnt me like 3 years ago with her iron when she was ironing, whatever the word is, her dress or skirt or whatever. Yeah. Well, that was forever ago.
I was like
And it's still there.
3 years ago and it's still there.
Barely. Nothing. It was like a birthmark.
Yeah, it looks like a birthmark.
Yeah.
Well, how are we supposed to eat?
You could eat like burgers.
At the same time.
Freeze! Like,
we can write, right?
yeah.
Oh joy! Another great thing happened today.
Yay! Guess who's coming? Hi guys. You think you can ride bike? I'm gonna try. Okay. Can you ride your bike? Those are really small though. So.
Training wheels!
Okay, Theo, pass me your bike.
Pass me your bike, Tabby.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks.
Please.
We're just gonna give it right back.
You have to be strong to ride in the grass.
Okay. We're pretty strong.
Okay.
It's over! Okay. I can't! I'm sorry. I started breaking. We're riding bikes and handcuffs!
Hello, we love you.